Alright guys, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. I am on pole. This is a pre-final. We are going backwards. I got mic'd up in my mic. Justin. Say what's up, Justin.
Hey, hey.
And Chance.
Yo. Starting P5. 11. Oh, dude, your car.
Thank you.
Pushing you.
Thank you.
27 seconds to me. That card is on rails. That card is fast. It's coming through. Oh, what the? No, I have no idea what just happened. Someone just ran someone horribly back there.
Oh, Tommy's got a grasshopper on his shirt. Dude, it's hanging on.
It's like bumper cars back here, guys.
We are in the lead.
Guys all over you, man.
Yep.
Oh, you can tell the tires.
This car doesn't feel very fast.
Good. Keep everyone bunched up.
Damn, dude, Tommy's car is fast, dude. Number one car flies.
He's in one?
Yeah, he's in one.
That's what I qualified, and that thing is fast.
Yeah, he's flying, dude. Oh, we don't stand a chance against him if he doesn't wreck, dude. I'm serious.
Slow him up.
A little wide.
Yep.
We're all bunched up. Everybody.
I'm getting pushed, yeah.
Gotta go a little defensive here. Damn, he's got a fast car.
Whoa. We're about to go real wide in there. This is nuts.
Look up to the inside. Look at that. Oh, fuck. Fuck that up.
Oh.
Oh, here comes Tommy. Great. Damn it.
Whoa. You guys are taking
Dude, I am getting killed. Hey, Justin, right behind you.
Alright.
Oh, you're gone, dude. Someone hit me, I flipped them off.
Ah, God. I'm in last place because that's Ben.
Oh, no. Chance, you spun?
I got taken out, man. 3 of us got taken out by one guy.
Oh, dude.
I got nothing for you, Justin. That's Justin right in front of me in the 8 cart. Go get those guys.
Man, pull up. What part are you in?
9.
What happened?
Pretty sure it's card 4 that took everybody out.
Oh, damn. Man, Tommy is so fast.
I had cart 1 at qualifying. That thing is fast.
Yeah. At least now we know it's the cart, not you.
Yeah, right?
Hoping these guys kind of get into it.
It will. Stay with it.
There we go. Guys off in the grass, part 30.
Halfway through.
Halfway point.
If you catch them, just line up with them. Dude, what the fuck? Cart 4? Isn't that the guy that took you out?
Yep.
Well, he just like totally dive bombed me. I don't know where he came from.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna switch to post-race commentary, and you can tell at this point in the race, I'm pretty pissed off at number 4 for the dive bomb. And I talked to him after the race and found out this was his second time racing with us. He just wasn't familiar, didn't really know the passing rules. There are passing rules in karting. You can't just, slam into people, bump off of people, use people as brakes during corners. And so we explained the rules to him, and he was completely apologetic and had a really good attitude and just admitted, hey, I'm sorry, my bad, I'm in the wrong. And we're all good. Super nice guy, so we're going to move on from it. And you can see right here, he's in 5th place. This is only his second race with us, and we're going the opposite direction we normally go in, so he's not used to going this way, so he's doing really well. So we expect him to be running up front in future races, so look out for him. And for those of you that don't know the passing rules, I'll explain it. Like, there's kart rage right there for you kart rage fans. The passing rule is this: if we're starting to make our turn into the corner, if you're trying to pass someone in the very front bumper, your front bumper's not at least halfway up the guy in front of you's cart, you have to back off and give him the room to the corner. That's his corner, so you have to avoid the crash. If your front bumper is halfway up or more on someone's cart before you start the turn, they have to give you the room for that corner. You see kart rage right here, you go out kind of wide. So right here, like, I go around him, I don't turn into him, give him plenty of space. So if you're getting past and someone's front bumper's to the inside of you, at least 50% of your cart, you have to give them space to make the pass. You don't have to back off, you just have to give them room. So that's the passing rules there. And if you don't do it and they see you do it, kind of break that rule, you can get penalized. So coming down here for 2 laps to go. And going back to that crash in the chicane back there, Brendan was nice enough to give me his footage, so I was able to show you a different angle. Then I've also got a camera on kart rage, and maybe I'm going to show you his whole race, which I watched the other day. It's actually pretty good. So we were able to get a couple of different angles of the same crash. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now I'm going to do this next lap here, finish up this next lap, and then move on to the final. I'm not going to show you the whole final. Probably spoiler alert if you don't already can already tell. I win the final. I kind of get up front pretty quick and just have empty track in front of me, so there's really nothing super interesting about that race. But what is kind of difficult about leading, which chance is always winning these races, but getting up front is actually kind of hard to maintain your focus sometimes and run fast laps. So you need to treat every lap like it's a qualifying lap almost, so you don't get fetched. All right, right here, this driver makes a really late move, not the place to make the pass, takes himself out instead of me, so thank you. I can't remember his name, I apologize. He watches the channel, super nice guy, and he's really doing well in progressing in his racing, so he's doing good. Just keep going. All right, here's the start of the final. I'm just gonna stay in line. That's kart rage to my inside, and right there, you see him back off. Gonna stay in here. And that is Tommy to my left. We're gonna stay in it, try to make the pass. There we go. All right, so we're in good position here in second place. I make a little bit of a mistake here, just kind of happened fast on me. Right there, I should have backed off right there, and I kept in it, and I ran over the curb and it really slowed me down. I should have rolled off the throttle just a little bit and just settled in, and I would have been probably on his rear bumper versus a few car lengths back. But right here, it makes a really bad mistake, and I just elect to run into the back of him really instead of going off track. So I want to try to make a run on him on the straightaway and get to the front as fast as possible. Also, I hope that y'all enjoyed the miking with Justin and Chance in the mic. It's kind of fun racing and talking to them while we're racing. It's a lot of fun. And we use Sena's S-E-N-A. That's what the mic systems, motorcycle mic system we use to talk to each other. And right there I make the pass and get into the lead. So I'm going to show you the start of this race from just the rear camera, because when I go home and look at the rear camera only, you see a lot of stuff that happens. And I don't always get to show you. Sometimes I'm kind of toggling between two views. So here's the start of this final race, just looking backwards. Look at the guy on the right-hand side in the blue. Watch this. He turns in right there, almost takes half the field out. He turned in a little early there and needs to make sure he clears those carts. Just kind of mistimed it, looks like. But that could have been bad for half the field had he gone completely sideways. All right, so we're coming down for the last lap. Just 2 more corners to go, and we're going to bring it home. Got a pretty good lead, probably a little, about 3/4 of the straightaway lead on him. It was a good race for me, you know. Fortunately, I hadn't won. It's been 365 days since I won a race. It showed up on my Facebook memories. I've won a race like a year ago, actually 365 days later. So that was it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. That was it. Good race, fun race. Thanks for watching so much.